Hi, I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate, and this afternoon I'm over at Lawson Farm in Foxborough, Massachusetts. This is a 30-lot subdivision. It's one of the nicest pieces of land that you'll find in Foxborough, and as you can see behind me, they've already started all the road work and clearing of the first phase of 2 phases. So we're now marketing phase 1. You'll be seeing it come into the MLS system this week. The builder has the lots cleared, there are stakes going in the ground. And there's a new website that we have posted up where you can get a lot of really great information. And that website is lawsonfarmfoxborough.com. You can take a look at that website. You can also go to lawsonfarm.betterlivingre.com. And you'll get all the information on the available lots in Phase 1. We have sample home plans, we have pricing, and then you'll be able to contact any one of us on our sales team, either right through the website or you can contact us directly. So take a look at this brand new Foxborough subdivision that we're bringing into the marketplace for 2018 delivery. We're excited to be able to work with you on it. And if you want to custom design a home, if you have existing plans or want to work with one of our local architects, we can actually do a custom build here. So this is a great opportunity for you to get into some brand new construction in Foxborough. There's not a lot available, and we have all the information on our website. I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate. Again, thanks for watching, and check out lawsonfarmfoxborough.com.